Now that you've had the opportunity to individually read each of those articles, respond, and then respond to a peer, we're going to take a moment and we are going to look at the similarities and differences of these three pieces of information utilizing the Top Hat Organizer. You're going to find the Top Hat Organizer in a link in Schoology. It's called Compare and Contrast Top Hat Organizer. Click on that. It's going to take you to this Google Doc. Once you have this Google document opened, you want to make a copy and move it into your Google Drive. This is going to be a group response, so one person can do the typing, but then you're going to want to share it with your colleagues because when you're going to take this information and use it to create an elevator speech. So at this time, you're going to want to click on that link in Schoology and pull this up. Last thing before you guys move forward is this. You're going to submit your Top Hat Organizer in this location, so please make sure that you put your school name in the title before you submit. Great, and once again, spend about 10 minutes here before you move on to the next activity. Thanks.